Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. Then scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. And as you can see right here, we've got this option, system update. So let's tap on it. And here let's tap on check for updates. Your device will check for them, of course, and you can basically meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second scenario is where your device will actually show you the update. So it will show you the new version and the information, what has been fixed, what has been added, and you will be able to simply tap on the button to download or install something like that, and then your device will apply it to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.